You machining intelligently? Featuring versatility and indexable inserts, Quick M-Thread cutters incorporate a step-release design to dramatically reduce cutting forces, enhance dynamic stability, and minimize tool bending. This innovation enables higher cutting conditions to boost productivity. The cutter's unique design also extends tool life and delivers superior thread finish. Equipped with internal coolant channels, Quick M-Thread cutters efficiently direct coolant to the cutting zone, improving cooling and lubrication. Ideal for milling threads with a pitch of 2 to 6 mm or 12-4 TPI, these cutters excel internal thread milling for diameters starting at 24 mm or 15 to 16th of an inch. Quick M-Thread offers customers an efficient and cost-effective solution for high-performance thread milling. Learn more about ISCAR's Quick M-Thread cutters and other cutting tool solutions on ISCAR's website or by contacting the ISCAR sales team.